In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link within a document. If you've ever scrolled through a long file searching for a specific section, this will save you time and make your document feel professional and easy to navigate. First, set up your destinations with headings. Headings aren't just bigger or bold text. They're built-in styles like Heading 1, Heading 2, and so on, that tell your document where major and minor sections begin. Click the title of the section you want people to jump to. Then apply the appropriate heading style from the Styles area. Use Heading 1 for top-level sections, Heading 2 for subsections, and keep the structure consistent. This not only makes linking easier, it also improves the navigation pane and any automatic table of contents you choose to add later. Next, choose the text that will become the clickable link. Highlight the words you want something descriptive like jump to getting started. Right-click the highlighted text and select Link. Or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-K. This opens the hyperlink dialog where you'll decide what the link should point to. In the dialog, look to the left and select Place in this document. This tells your editor that you are linking internally, not to a web page or a file. You'll see a list of destinations you can link to. Typically your headings and any bookmarks you've created. Pick the exact heading you want, then confirm by clicking OK. Your highlighted text is now a hyperlink. In many editors, you can hold Ctrl and click to follow the link instantly. You can also format the link text like any other text if you want to adjust its color or remove the underline. If you need to link to a very specific spot that doesn't have a heading, maybe a line in the middle of a paragraph, use a bookmark as an alternative. Highlight the destination text, go to Insert, choose Bookmark, and give it a clear, simple name. Then, create your hyperlink the same way as before with Ctrl-K. Choose Place in this document and select your new bookmark from the list. Click OK, and your link will jump precisely to that location. That's it. Use headings for structured sections and bookmarks for precise points. Keeping your headings consistent makes your document easier to maintain, and clear link text helps readers know exactly where they're going. Thanks for watching.